In this video, I'll explain to you how you can personalize your emails. When you're doing email marketing, personalizing your emails is key if you want to get more sales. When you personalize your emails, you will make your audience feel that they are not just there to be sold on, and when you recommend relevant products to your subscribers, you'll get more sales. There's a lot of ways that you can personalize your emails, and in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how you can do it yourself. The first way you can personalize your emails is by creating personalized flows. Some of those flows are birthday flow, abandoned cart flow, cross-sell, upsell, and browse abandonment. The way you can personalize your birthday flows is basically on your pop-up form, you request the birth date of the person who subscribes to your email list. Then you create a flow that sends an email every time someone has a birthday with a discount code. You might think that people can start abusing it by adding their birthday for the next day so they can get a discount, but in the end of the day, you're gonna get more sales. And if someone is ready to abuse this, you know they're ready to purchase and they just need a bigger discount to complete their order. Next one is very simple, abandoned cart flows. This again can be created very easily within Klaviyo or Shopify. And when someone abandons a product in their cart, you send them a series of emails trying to push them to go back to your website and complete their order. The way you can personalize this is basically adding dynamic products in the emails so they can see exactly what they have added to their cart. So with just click of a button, they return to their cart, all of the items are there, and they just complete their purchase. Next, we have cross-sell. So for example, if you're selling jewelry and you have necklaces, bracelets, rings, someone comes to your website and purchases a necklace, let's say with a turquoise stone, then after they complete their purchase, you can recommend them to purchase a bracelet or a ring with a turquoise stone that will go well together with the necklace that they have purchased. Browse abandonment, again, very simple. You can create this in Klaviyo, and if someone is already in your list and they're scrolling through your website and they're engaging with different products, they will receive an email with the same product in the email that is going to push them to go back to your website and buy. The next type of flow that you can create is potential buyers. Now, with this flow, what you can do is create a segment of people who have viewed at least 3 products from a certain collection. For example, let's say rings. And if they have viewed at least 3 rings in the last 7 days, you can send them an automatic email that's going to recommend those rings with a discount in the end that will push them over the edge to go to a website and buy. You can also utilize Klaviyo's AI, which will suggest products to potential customers based on their searches and interest in products on your website. Next, we have predictive analytics. Again, this is a feature that Klaviyo has, and it's going to allow you to build a segment of people who are most likely to purchase. For example, you can set up a segment with people who are most likely to purchase within the next 5 days, send them an email and give them a discount, or just recommend your best-selling products or what they're interested in. Another thing you can do is tag people based on their behavior on your website. For example, if they're looking at the women's collection, if they're looking at the men's collection, if they're checking out your jewelry, if they're interested in your clothing, just make tags for every single thing on your website. So when you create campaigns, you can choose to which segment what to send. And for example, if someone is interested in your women's collection, don't promote them your men's collection, or the other way around. Another way that you can personalize your emails is always use the customer's or subscriber's first name. You can add it into the headline of the emails. You can also add it to the subject line to the emails, so it feels more personalized and is directly meant for them. I have recorded a ton of videos in email marketing, which you can watch right after this video. I have videos on how to improve your conversion rates, how to create pop-ups, how to test pop-ups, what emails to send, what campaigns to send, how to create flows, basically everything you need to be successful with email marketing. I also have a free training which you can find in the description below this video, and the free training covers Facebook ads, email marketing, and conversion rate optimization. Because if your website does not convert people, even with the best ads and the best emails, you'll never be successful. So that's about it. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.